हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सक्सेस सीरीज एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक लिस्ट देखेंगे इम्पॉर्टेंट बैंकिंग टर्म्स की और उनके फुल फॉर्म्स जानेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला बैंकिंग टर्म है एसीयू। एसीयू का फुल फॉर्म है एशियन करेंसी यूनियन। नेक्स्ट इज एडीबी। एडीबी का फुल फॉर्म है एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक। ADR stands for American Depository Receipt. Next is ATM. ATM is Automated Teller Machine. Next full form is AIIM. It stands for Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. BOB stands for Bank of Baroda. Our next abbreviation is BHIM, जिसे हम भीम भी कहते हैं, भारत Interface for Money. Next is CBL, which stands for Chest Banking System. हमारा नेक्स्ट बैंकिंग टर्म है CBS, विच स्टैंड्स फॉर कोर बैंकिंग सिस्टम. CAIIB, दैट इज सर्टिफाइड एसोसिएट फॉर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बैंकर्स. नेक्स्ट इज CIF, स्टैंडिंग फॉर कस्टमर इंफॉर्मेशन फाइल. Another abbreviation is CMA, that is credit monitoring analysis. Next important banking term is CASA, which stands for current account saving account. Next is CAD, that is capital account deficit. CRR stands for cash reserve ratio. Next is CTS, that means check truncation system. Next important banking term is DCB, जिसका full form है Development Credit Bank. Another one is DEF, DEAF, which stands for Depository Education and Awareness Fund. Then we have ECC, that stands for Excise Control Code. ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme. Let us see another set of banking terms. EMI, which stands for Equated Monthly Installment. Next is EPFO, that is Employee Provident Fund Organization. EFT POS, that is Electronic Funds Transfer at Point of Sale. EFT stands for Electronic Fund Transfer. Next is ECS, इसका full form है Electronic Clearing Service. Next we have ECB, that is External Commercial Borrowing. ELSS stands for Equity Linked Savings Scheme. FCCB, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act. Another important banking term is FEMA, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act. FICCI, FICCI stands for Federation of Indian Chambers and Commerce and Industry. HDFC का full form है Housing Development Finance Corporation. Next is HSBC, that is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. Next important banking term HUDCO, HUDCO, that is Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. IBBI, that is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. ICICI, that is Credit and Investment Corporation of India. IDBI stands for Industrial Development Bank of India. Another set of important banking terms, IDFC, इसका full form है Infrastructure Development Finance Company. IFS, Indian Foreign Service. IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. Next is INR, इसका full form है Indian Rupee. IPO का full form है Initial Public Offering. Another important abbreviation is IRDA, stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. IRO, that is Interest Rate Options. Next is JAIIB, that is Junior Associate of the Indian Institute of Bankers. KYC का full form है Know Your Customer. KCC stands for Kisan Credit Card. KMB is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next important term is KVB, that is Karur Vyasa Bank. LAB stands for Local Area Lab. LAF stands for Liquidity Adjustment Facility. LTV, that is Loan to Value. Next set of banking terms, MCLR, Marginal Cost of Funds Based Lending Rate. MMID, that is Money Mobile Identifier. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NBFC, that is Non-Banking Financial Companies. Another set of banking terms, NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. NPCI का full form है National Payments Corporation of India. OTP stands for One Time Password. OTC stands for Over the Counter. Next is PAN, that is PAN, Permanent Account Number. PIN, Personal Identification Number. PBX stands for Private Branch Exchange. PFMS stands for Public Financial Management System. Another set of important terms, PNB, that is Punjab National Bank, PSB, that is Public Sector Bank, QIB, Qualified Institutional Bankers, RBL Ratnakar Bank Limited. Another important term, RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. SBI का full form है State Bank of India. SEBI, SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. SIDBI, SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. Another set of banking terms, SIP, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. SPNS, that is Shared Payment Network System. TAN, that is Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number. TIN का full form है Taxpayer Identification Number. नेक्स्ट बैंकिंग टर्म इज यूको बैंक. यूको का फुल फॉर्म है यूनाइटेड कमर्शियल बैंक. यूपीआई का फुल फॉर्म है यूनिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस. वैट का फुल फॉर्म है वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स. WCTL stands for Working Capital Term Loan. With this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching.